Hey guys, this is Charlie, aka the God of SEO here, and today I'm going to be going over a tutorial and review of GSA Search Engine Ranker. Now, this is a awesome bit of kit that you can build niche relevant backlinks with a huge amount of diversity. So this is the interface once you load up GSA. The first thing you'll see on the left is the projects tab, then you'll have the log box underneath the bottom, and on the right will be your verified URLs list. So what we're going to do is we're going to start a campaign by going over the top tab here, clicking New, and this is where we put in our URL, which is the website where we'd like to submit to all the directories and the websites, and build the backlinks to. So I'm going to put in God of SEO. Make sure you have your HTTP, and if you are a www dot as well, put in the www dot as well. So I'm going to put in my keywords, which are internet marketing blog, online marketing blog, God of SEO as the branded, and then God of SEO without all the things together as well. And then I'm also going to put in SEM blog and SEO blog. Then we're also going to add in search engine optimization to the end of that as well. And then we're going to click use keywords as anchor text and put keywords in quotes into the search engines to find the backlinks. Then we're going to go over to the left and we're going to find where we want to submit all these. So we're going to turn off indexer, turn off trackback, leave blog comment enabled. I'm going to also turn on microblog, pingback, exploit, article directories, and web 2.0s. Now this is where we need to get the spinning content together. So we're going to need a spun website title, a description, an about us, but the about us that's pre-made is pretty good already. An article title, an article actual thing. We can also build an article if we have article builder, PLR directories, XR content, or big content search. Then we need an article summary and a micro message. So the first thing I'm going to do is go up to here and choose our categories. So I'm going to add a category of blog. You can go into multi-layers of here. This is just better as to actually find out what kind of categories you want to post your things under. So I'm going to put blog, marketing, internet, and business. It's pretty generic terms and tend to do pretty well. Now we're going to head over to the spinner, which is the best free spinner that I'm going to be using. You can also use spinners that you're paid for as well, like Word AI. And Word AI is a brilliant one, the best spinner, Spinner Chief, etc. So I'm going to put in the website title, which is God of SEO, Internet Marketing Blog, and Online Business Blog. So that's going to spin me a full title here, and I'm going to put this into the website title over here. In the description, we need a 250 character description. So I'm just going to randomly come up with something, which is God of SEO is an online marketing blog created by myself. And I've just messed up with the hotkeys there. So God of SEO is an internet marketing blog by myself, Charles Float, that specializes in backlink building. So that should do for the time being on the description. And I'm going to go throw that over in there as well. For the logins, you can put in the specific login and passwords that you want in the spin tags as well, but I just tend to go randomize on both of them. For the actual title, I'm going to go over to eZine articles and just look up internet marketing blog. So we have a full list here of different bits and pieces that we can go with, and we can go with this guy's one. He looks like a funny smiley guy there. So what we need to do is get the title here, spin that in the best free spinner, stick that in the actual title. In the article itself, we're going to grab all of this, and I tend to remove these little bits of links out here. They tend to be a bit of a pain in the ass. And then I'm going to put them over here, and then I'm going to remove the actual source. Though if you're doing this, I suggest you actually build your own article and then spin it manually. It tends to be the best results for contextual backlinks. And then I copy and paste this over into this. Then for the article summary, I'm going to go back and find a different article and just grab the first paragraph of content. And then I'm going to try and make it so it doesn't have any faults with it. Try and make the articles as good as possible. And sit there in the article summary. Then we're going to go to micro message, and I'm going to put this as God of SEO in here, and this keyboard does not have a pipeline button because it's American for some reason. Well, it probably does, but I don't know the hotkey for it. And then I'm going to put internet marketing blog as well, and then just finish off with a hyphen. And the blog comment, you can manually put in a blog comment related to your niche as well, but otherwise that's good to go. Next is the options bit. This is the main bit where we actually get the niche relevant stuff going. So I'm going to go over the CAPTCHA services. I do have a CAPTCHA service enabled, but I'm going to click to skip if the form can't be filled. Then verified URLs must have the exact URL, otherwise there's not much point in sending it to the indexer. And I'm going to put randomly use typos and put that at 1%, and use character spinning where possible. I'm also going to put this button here, which is the most important button out of all of them, which is always use keywords to find target sites. And it will come up with this message which says you can lose a lot of potential sites, but we want that to make sure it's niche relevant. I'm going to then unclick also analyze and post to competitive backlinks. Then you can find the country that you want to actually build the backlinks to, so you can go through the massive list of all the different countries and find your specific country that you're looking to post to. I'm just going to leave it on the default ones, which is the Google International and Bing International. I'm then going to put skip sites with more than 25 outbound links to make sure it won't actually go on to any of them. And then I'm going to skip sites with the following words appear. So we want to make sure that this is going to skip all the sites with more than 25 outgoing links on the one page, otherwise it's going to spam to blog comment pages with tons of blog comments on them. Then I'm going to delete this, which is the email, and I'm going to set up my own email in here. By putting your email in there, then putting it in the login again, pop3.live.com, 995, use SSL, and the password. Then I'm going to go over here and click test, and it has failed for some reason, because I put in the wrong email address. And then we'll test it again, and make sure I have the right one this time, which I do because it's been successful. Then that's all set up and ready to go. So literally it took us a few minutes to actually set up this entire campaign for link building. You can go into the other bits and pieces with partial anchor text, your LSI anchor text, with generic anchor text, which is like here, and then domains anchor text, but these are all just variables of the actual link building process. You also have a ton of things here. With the link indexes, I have GSA SEO indexer, so it's going to send it to there, and it's going to send it to all the indexes possible. So we're going to click OK, and it's added our campaign over here. So I'm going to make sure it's active, put it on 2 priority so it has the most priority possible. I'm going to deactivate all the other campaigns and press start. So as you can see in the log here, it's already built 5, 7, 8 backlinks, and it just goes through and builds tons and tons of backlinks. Thanks for watching my little tutorial on how to build niche relevant backlinks for GSA search engine ranker, and see you later.